Hello, it's Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. Let me ask you a question. Are you new to futures trading? Well, if you are, then I invite you to stay with me. This video is for you. I speak with many beginning futures traders, and some could be a little confused about the rules and regulations for trading commodity futures and options. I have 4 tips that I feel can help investors new to commodity futures trading get started. Here they are. Tip number 1. You must have a basic understanding of investing and a general knowledge of the commodity futures markets before investing any money. We offer an extensive futures education webpage on our website, which contains excellent information for the beginning futures trader. I've put a link in the description below to our futures education webpage. Additionally, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the world's largest futures exchange, offers an excellent education section on their website as well. You'll also find links to their information on our futures education webpage. Of course, all Insignia Futures and Options clients will have access to a registered futures broker to discuss their trading goals and any questions they may have. Tip number 2. Proper account capitalization is essential in trading futures and options. I have many clients who want to start trading with only $100. Although this is possible, it's very difficult to begin with such a small amount. Due to the leverage in futures trading, small price moves could equate to large gains or losses. Depending on the commodity futures contracts you want to trade, I always recommend clients properly fund their trading accounts accordingly. Feel free to ask about the futures contracts you are interested in trading in the comment section below. We'll provide you with the minimum required and recommended capital amount we feel is suitable to trade those contracts. Tip number 3. Choose a futures broker who accommodates beginning traders and those traders who need advice and assistance. Many futures brokers these days are generally geared towards the experienced futures trader. Most of the super cheap discount futures brokerage firms offer very little customer service. Their business model is to simply provide their clients with a trading platform, and that's it. At Insignia Futures and Options, we welcome the beginning futures trader and are happy to work one-on-one with them so they feel comfortable trading their hard-earned money. Tip number 4. Choose a futures broker who offers a simple-to-use yet powerful trading platform. I've been trading futures since 1991, and I've seen countless numbers of futures trading platforms. Although I'm biased regarding our Insignia Trader FireTip platform, many that I've used or seen were way too complicated, even for an experienced futures trader. As a beginning futures trader, you have enough on your plate in learning the mechanics of the futures markets and how to trade them. You certainly don't want to tack on the added learning curve of a complicated trading platform. Our Insignia Trader FireTip platform has been around for years and is designed to be very simple to use. In fact, we get compliments on how simple it is to use from many of our clients who've tried other trading platforms. I invite you to check out a free demo of our futures trading platform. It has $50,000 of play money in it so that you can get a feel for real actual live trading. Of course, any piece of software will have somewhat of a learning curve, especially if you're a beginning futures trader. We're available to give you a personal walkthrough of our platform by phone, screen share, or both. Request your free Insignia Trader FireTip Futures demo account in the description below. I hope these tips give you the head start you need in trading futures and options. Of course, studying any subject is always in your best interest before jumping in blindly. Again, feel free to leave any comments below or contact me directly to discuss futures trading education or any other questions you may have. I'll be happy to help.